Want to turn off your T-Mobile home internet Wi-Fi? Here's why you might and how to do it. Disabling Wi-Fi improves security, saves energy by reducing household electricity use by 5 to 10%, and optimizes your network. You can disable Wi-Fi through the T-Mobile Connect app version 8.0 or more, or directly via the gateway's admin panel. Access the admin panel by entering 192.168.12.1 in your browser. Default login details are on the device sticker. Let's explore the exact steps. First, log into your TMHI gateway using the T-Mobile Connect app or through a web browser with the default IP address 192.168.12.1. Next, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings in the admin panel. Then, turn off both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, as well as any guest networks for a complete shutoff. Remember, disabling Wi-Fi won't affect your Ethernet-connected devices. When you re-enable Wi-Fi, change default passwords and use WPA3 encryption to protect from unauthorized access. If your plan includes mesh extenders like Nokia Beacon, disable them separately via the app.